Hey, how's it going? This is Enrique with Magnfi, and once again here bringing you the latest tutorials about how to add video to different CRMs. And today we're diving into Jobber. Jobber is a CRM very popular within the home service industry, so I'm gonna show you today how to add video to the email campaigns. Watch. So this is the dashboard for Jobber, and what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go to the sidebar and go to marketing. Once we get here, we're gonna go to create email campaigns. Now we're gonna choose a theme. Let's say we're gonna do reconnect with a client. Use a template. Then we go to edit content. This is a very similar editor like most CRMs, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna bring our amazing Magnfi platform, and we're gonna do a copyright thumbnail image. We're gonna copy it, and we're gonna see where we're gonna paste it within the newsletter or campaign. I want to paste it right above the button request a visit. Enter here, then I can select the whole thing, center it, and look at this. Now with Jobber, I'm able to modify the size. Look at that, put it original, and look, I think that looks big enough for my mobile and also for the desktop. So this is what you gotta do to add video to your email campaigns with Jobber by leveraging the video message tool within your platform. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.